Hey, good morning. It's Stu, and guess who I'm with? My date right here, my mom right here, who's the best. And a lot of her recipes are at Stu Leonard's. But one of the ones that's on the buffet right now that's really popular is your famous pot roast, right?
Oh, yeah.
What do you do to make that so good?
Well, it's so simple. It's just a rump roast, around 4 pounds. And then I just add contain just one envelope of the Lipton onion soup and a can of cream of mushroom soup. And then I wrap the whole thing up in foil real tight, put it in the oven and bake it for about 3 or 4 hours.
What temperature?
At about 325.
Okay. Well, you know what? You don't even have to do that because we have it on the buffet,
Yeah.
right?
Go
Which
with-
is good. So anyway, that's a secret recipe,
Yeah.
okay? Don't you can make it at home, but don't
It's
tell
very
too.
simple and easy and delicious, and it makes the delicious gravy. So with it, so you don't have to make your own gravy.
Yeah. And Mom, how old are you now?
Oh, 91
Doesn't she look
and
great?
a half.
Doesn't she look great? Huh? I'm lucky to have such a good mom.
Oh,
Mwah.
okay. Okay.